Greetings, Benjamin J from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. Well, a follow-up on that butchered motor I got, I don't know, probably 2 weeks ago. E-unit had been ripped out. The side plates were completely destroyed, just really bent out of shape. Anyway, this is a double reduction motor, so I didn't want to tear it apart. So I straightened the side plates as best I could, and then I had a cage, the actual frame for an E-unit, and installed that between the side plates since it has a headlight socket on it. Anyway, I just got it wired, put back together. This is the result. So it runs forward only, but it runs. And this thing was junk when I got it. Absolute bottom of the barrel junk. And as you see, that's running really, really well. It's smooth, it's quiet. It has a working headlight now. No E-unit, as you can see, but the entire front end of this motor was missing when I got it. Somebody had just literally destroyed it. Anyway, having nothing to do today, figured I'd do some work on some motors, and straightened out the side plates as best I could. And I had the frame for the E-unit with the socket on it, so installed that, just got it wired, and it's up and running. So I had to do a lot of repair to this thing. This was butchered. And I mean, this was just pure abuse. I have no idea why anybody would do this to a motor, but they did. Anyway, it's up and running, and not only running, but running just absolutely splendidly. Look at that. So, as I always stress, don't overlook the junk. Just because something's junk when you get it, doesn't mean it's going to be junk when you're finished with it. Is it perfect? Nope. Far from it. It has no E-unit. It runs forward only, but it's a double reduction motor. It has 490 push rods on it, and as you see, it now has a working headlight, and it's running just absolutely splendidly. This is running on AC, and that's about 20% power, something like that. As you see, that motor is running perfectly. So, went from a piece of junk, literal, that I bought for parts, to a running motor that I can now drop into a shell. It gives me another locomotive. Double reduction and running absolutely perfectly. Like I said, it runs forward only, but it's running. That's the nice thing about this. And running really, really well. Nice and smooth, quiet, running just absolutely perfectly. So it's far from perfect, but it's a running motor when I started with absolute junk. So just want to do a quick video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.